Hello, I have a great error correction activity for you related to other, another, the other, and also a couple sentences related to indefinite pronouns. Click the link in the description and you can see that'll take you to a worksheet that you can download, fix the mistakes, and then use the rest of this video to check your work. Fix the mistakes in these sentences. Two people are wearing hats. The others people in the picture are not wearing hats. The problem is with the phrase, the others people. In this situation, others is acting as an adjective saying which people. So adjectives in English, we do not make plural. So it should say the other people in the picture are not wearing hats. That's how you fix that sentence. Fix the mistakes in the sentence. The man with the orange sweater is standing. The other men are standing also. The problem with this one is where it says the other men. Because, yes, there are two other men standing, but there's also one man sitting. We only use the other when it's the rest of the group. But because we have one person who's not standing but who's sitting, it's not the rest of the group who are standing. So we would just say other men are standing also, not the other. The other is the rest of the group. Other just means more than one more than the one we already mentioned. Fix the mistakes in these sentences. The man with the green sweater is wearing glasses. The another man is also wearing glasses. The problem is with the another man. So that should just be another man is wearing glasses. We would not put the plus another. Sometimes, or another just means one more, but sometimes we might say the other if it's the rest of the group. But here there's more than just that one man wearing glasses and another man. There's others not wearing glasses. Fix the mistake in these sentences. One man in the picture is sitting, the other man are standing. I can see there are three men standing, so it should be the other men, M-E-N, the plural form. The other men are standing. Fix the mistake in these sentences. One girl is reaching for a piece of pizza. In another word, she is trying to get more pizza. The problem is with that expression in another word. It should be plural because we're using more words to say that again. So it should be in other words. In other, not another, but other and words, plural. In other words, she is trying to get more pizza. Fix the mistake in these sentences. The man with the red hat is sitting down. The man with the red hat and sitting down has a drink. The other in the picture do not have a drink. We can see there's only one drink. So if we talk about the people who do not have a drink, that's the rest of the group. So we would say the plus other. But there we mean the other people in the picture do not have a drink. We could say the other people, or we could say the others and use the pronoun form, but we have to add an S to others to make it plural. The others in the picture do not have a drink. Fix the mistake in these sentences. These people have a lunch meeting every another week. This meeting is twice a month. So if you have a meeting twice a month, it's probably not every another week, but every other week. That expression of every other means like you skip one. For example, if you have an appointment every other month, that would be 6 times a year. Every other week is twice a month. So that's what every other day every other means skip one. Fix the mistake in this sentence. All of the people are enjoying the meeting, other for the man with the green sweater. The problem is with other for. I have two options to get that idea of the one person who is an exception or left out or different. So we could say other than. So all of the people are enjoying the meeting other than the man with the green sweater. Or we could, with the same meaning as except for, all of the people are enjoying the meeting except for the man with the green sweater. That means just not that person. Fix the mistakes in this sentence. The first problem is with anyone who like. Anyone takes a singular form of the verb, so it should be anyone who likes pizza. My next problem is with himself. If anyone is referring to a group of men, himself would probably be okay, but in this case, it might be very general, meaning both men and women. So, two ways to fix it. The formal way would be anyone who likes pizza should buy him or herself his or her own pizza. Maybe that's right, but it sounds terrible. Most people would probably just make it they should buy themselves and just treat anyone like it's plural. So anyone who likes pizza should buy themselves their own pizza. Fix the mistake in the sentence. Anyone who doesn't want pizza at the meeting can bring her own lunch with them. The problem is probably with her. Maybe if it's just a group of women, then this would be true. But if we say anyone and we mean both men and women, then her own lunch doesn't work. We could say can bring his or her own lunch with them. That would be a little more formal English. Most people would probably say can bring their own lunch. So a lot of times we use their to in a situation where we want to avoid saying he or she or him or her, even though anyone normally should be singular. In that case, a lot of times we'll use the plural pronoun after it.